Hey collaborators, Logan here with this week's episode on how to use memes for marketing in Minnesota. Well, really anywhere. In this video, I'll explain how to decide if you can use a meme for your business, where to find memes for marketing, and how to make memes for marketing. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. Memes are fun. Cats, movie stills, all that stuff. It's fun to send them to friends or use meme GIFs in message replies, and visual info, like a meme or a video, tends to be shared about 40 times more often than straight text. But can you use them on your business social media or in a blog? The short answer is, it depends. While you should always consult your own attorney when dealing with these copyright issues, every use of a meme needs to be judged on its own merit. So how do you decide if you can use a particular meme for your business? Well, as a general rule, copyright isn't going to affect you if you're just using a small part of an original work. If you're using an entire still image of a photographer took, and obviously that's 100% of their work. If the photo features an individual's face, you may also see that model can also come after you. So if you add text, that can be considered transforming the work, which could fall under fair use. So it's a fine line. You may be better off playing it safe though. In another situation, if you're using a movie still, which is a split second of a 2-hour-long movie, and one line of text out of the entire script, that's much less of an issue. Now, where do you find memes for marketing? One of the quickest ways to find pre-made memes is to head over to imager.com/memegen or another meme generating site. These usually have a watermark on them, but they tend to be where unskilled people, like me, make their memes. Skilled photoshoppers, like Kelsey, can make their own memes. Another great place to search for memes or GIFs by category would be reddit.com. Multiple communities exist there where you can mine memes like our high-quality GIFs, our meme economy, our starter packs, our date memes, and more depending on your industry and focus. Google's image search can also be a resource. So, how do you make your own memes for marketing? I'd heavily consider using Photoshop or the free app Photopea if you have the skills to make your own memes. If not, head to imager.com/memegen like I mentioned before. There, you can choose from nearly every meme format in existence, add your own text, and see examples of previous memes so you know how to properly use the meme if you haven't seen it before. Next week is our break. We make videos 3 weeks in a row and then break for 1 week to recharge and keep it fresh for you. So see you in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. If you're on YouTube, check out our other Marketing Monday videos on the left. If you're watching this on Facebook or elsewhere, follow the link in the description to our YouTube channel to help you learn how to develop your website and handle digital marketing for your company.